Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the acid base theory. One is Arrhenius theory, second one is Bronsted-Lowry theory, third one is Lewis acid base theory. So according to Lewis acid base theory, electron pair acceptor is acid, electron pair donor is base. So then I will give, based on that, one question is, which of the following is Lewis acid? The question is Lewis acid. Option A, ROH B Mg plus 2, C AlCl3, D Cn minus, like this given. Then acid mean what is that? Electron pair acceptor. Electron pair acceptor mean they should having the vacant orbital. Therefore generally cations are having the vacant orbital, then that is answer. And here AlCl3, in AlCl3 also one vacant orbital will be there. How it is having vacant orbital mean? Observe here. Aluminum atomic number 13, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2. Then total this is 10 plus 2, 12 and 3p, 1. Then it formed how many bond? 3 bond. Then here 2 electron, here 1 electron. In excited state this electron comes to here, total 3 unpaired electron, 3 bond formed, and then this is vacant orbital. Therefore this also accept the electron pair from some other. Therefore this is act as a Lewis acid. Now similarly one more question, which of the following, same question, Lewis acid. Lewis acid is option A BeF3 and B FeCl3 and C CO2 D all. Like this given, meaning what is that? You should know that their atomic number and electronic configuration. So like this, aluminum and boron belongs to same group, therefore having the same type of electronic configuration, outer electronic configuration same, therefore this also having the vacant orbital. Generally d block element, those are like this, they also having the vacant d orbital. So this is. Then here what is the vacant orbital is there? No. If you write its structure, this is C double bond O, like this. Anywhere already octet is satisfied, but if any electron donor is there, for example here this is electron donor or negatively charged, then that time this pi electron shifted toward the electronegative atom, therefore this bond will be this lone pair will be donated to carbon. Initially do not having any positive charge or vacant orbital, but due to this shifting of pi electron, then it having the vacant orbital and converted into acidic nature. So based on this also they may give the which of the following is acidic oxide. Acidic oxides. Option A like this CO2, option B SO2, option C SO3, D all. Then all these are having the double bond O with the central atom, then the pi electron shift toward the more electronegative atom having the positive charge, they act as a Lewis acid. Okay, so this is about the Lewis acids. Now Lewis base consider. Then according to that, which of the following is Lewis base? Question is which of the following is Lewis base? Then option A is Cn minus, option B is OH minus, option C is SnCl4, option D ZnCl2, like this is given. Then negatively charged are generally Lewis base because they having the pair of electron, therefore A and B options are Lewis base. These are Lewis acid but not Lewis base. So actually more than one type of question I am giving here, but in your competitive exam CET, NEET, JEE means only single answer correct will be there. To understand the more easiest way, therefore I am giving more than one option also in these questions. Then all example, maximum example will be included in this concept. Okay. Then we know that Arrhenius theory, Bronsted theory, and Lewis acid-base theory. In this, what is the neutralization reaction? For example, this is given HCl plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus Cl minus. In this reaction, H plus given to this, therefore this is acid, H plus acceptor, then this is a base. In reverse reaction, this is H plus donor to this one, therefore this acid, this is a base. This is conjugate acid, this conjugate base. Then this is neutralization reaction or not mean, this is neutralization reaction only, because transfer of proton from acid to base, that is called neutralization reaction according to Bronsted-Lowry theory. Now, what do you call? HCl plus NaOH, this is aqueous, this is also aqueous. Na plus Cl, this is form Na plus Cl minus salt, and H plus and OH minus, this is called water. Simply this is H plus from acid, aqueous, and this is OH minus from base, aqueous, combined to form H2O. So water formation is neutralization reaction according to Arrhenius theory. Okay, so maximum concept about the all three theories are completed. Now which of the following, now acid base, after that ionization of water, pure water, how it is ionized? Pure water ionization. Simple form I am writing here. Water is amphoteric. It acts as a acid also, base also in the previous according to Bronsted-Lowry theory we studied. Therefore, H2O and H2O. 2 moles I2. This is called, this is also known as a autoprotolysis. Autoprotolysis. Auto mean self. Self protolysis this is. It meaning this is proton donor to this, or this is proton donor to this. Anyone can donate. Donor is act as acid. For example, this is donate acid, this is accept, therefore base. Donated to this, therefore this is H3O plus, and after donation of H plus, this is OH minus. Clear? Therefore, this is can be represented as Kw is equal to H plus or H3O plus. You can write H3O plus, right, or H plus, right, no problem. OH minus, like this. This is equal to 1.00 something or 1.0 only, right? Actually 1.008 something is there. 1 also, right, no problem. 10 power minus 14. M square mean molarity square. Molarity for what is the unit? Moles per liter. This is at 25 degrees Celsius. 25 at room temperature. This is, it mean already I told you the rank shortcut. What is that? All K, all constants are temperature dependent. Temperature increases, this Kw value also increases. Okay, now this 25 is there. Here maybe 30 degrees Celsius given. That time here 1.8 or whatever 8 consider, no problem. Then this is 1.09 into 10 power, what is that? Minus 14. So little bit value increase. So already like this Kw value may be listed in your textbook that you can study. But temperature increase means Kw value increase, that you have to note down this point. Based on this, many questions will be there. Because now according to this, based on this formula, pH range is 0 to 14. If Kw value change, then the pH range also change. So pH now Kw is equal to H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration into 1 into 0 into 10 power minus 12. This is considered. Here 10 power minus 14, here 10 power minus 12 is given. Some temperature greater than this room temperature. T is greater than 25 degrees Celsius. Then what happened here? Kw value increase. Kw value increase means this time, this is according to this neutral condition is pH is equal to 7. According to this neutral condition is pH is 6. because according to this formula, H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 m. According to this, H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 OH minus ion concentration, that equal to 10 power minus 6. So Kw value depends on the temperature, therefore the neutral condition also change. Now according to this neutral, then less than 6 is acidic, more than 6 is basic. Here less than 7 is acidic, more than 7 is basic. Then you may ask the question, sir, how to answer in examination? If temperature mentioned mean according to temperature we have to answer. In the question, temperature not mentioned mean the generalized condition at room temperature we have to consider. So in that question, temperature not mentioned mean this is the case. Any temperature respect to mean temperature respect to Kw value change, that Kw respect to you have to answer. So this is very, very important. Now based on this Kw also, one more thing they are asking here, the ratio of ionized form. Now H2O is ionized into H plus and OH minus. So ratio of ionized form to unionized form. Ionized form concentration is 10 power minus 7 m single one, and this is 55.55 m cancel because this is water concentration. Therefore now if you cancel, then you will get nearly 1.8 into 10 power minus 9 answers. This is the ratio of ionized form to unionized form of water. So one time this question directly asked in the competitive exam, so that also you have to remember. So this is about the Kw or autoprotolysis. Now pH, I will give the simple formula. Later some question I want to discuss. pH is equal to what is that? Negative logarithm of pH is equal to negative logarithm of H3O. Actually this is activity of H plus ion. What is this? pH is equal to activity of H plus ion. Activity of H plus ion is equal to H plus ion concentration for dilute solution, or this is simply called ideal solution. You know that second year solution chapter, there also ideal solution, but activity of H plus ion concentration is not equal to concentration of H plus ion for concentrated solution. This is not equal. Therefore generally dilute solution respect to this pH calculation will be there. So pH is equal to what is that? Negative logarithm of activity of H plus ion concentration is equal to what is the H plus ion concentration on H3O plus ion concentration. Now based on this formula, this is the power of hydrogen. If power of Kw is there, therefore negative logarithm of Kw. Here H is there mean H, Kw mean Kw. Here pKa is there mean negative logarithm of Ka. pKb is there mean here negative logarithm of Kb. So these formulas are frequently involved. Therefore you have to remember that formulas. Without that formula you can't calculate. So try to remember that formula, note down. Now remember, now H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14. Apply the negative logarithm, or logarithm only apply, no problem. Log H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to log 10 power minus 14. Then you know some formulas. Log a power x is equal to x into log A log A into B is known as a log A plus log B form. Log A by B is known as a log A minus log B, and log A power x is equal to y is known as, like this formula also is there. So these formulas are frequently involved. Correct? I think this is not the formula. Once again I'll check. Now pH is there. Then pH is equal to what is there? Negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, nothing but this is base 10. Therefore, this is log A power x is equal to, if this is taken as a minus, then this is y. This can be represented as x is equal to A power y. This is the formula. If it is in this form is there. Therefore, this can be represented as, this is A, this is x, this is y, minus taken left side means minus pH. Therefore, this can be represented as, now this is A power y mean this 10 power minus pH is equal to H plus ion concentration. So this formula also very useful, you have to remember. Now log A into B form, log A B is equal to, how to write, log A plus log B. So log H plus ion concentration plus log OH minus ion concentration is equal to A power x mean this form is there 10 power minus 14, therefore 14, log 10 value 1. So remember here I will write the some value. Log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, roughly you can write 0.5, log 4 is double of this 0.6020, log 5 is 0.6991, roughly you can write 0.7 also. Okay, so generally these values are involved frequently, therefore you have to remember, and dash 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 log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so remember this value. Sometime other value also may comes mean, based on this approximation you can write the values. Then actually how to write this is minus 14 into log 10. Log 10 value how much? 1. 1 into 14, 14. Therefore this is. Now multiply with the negative both side. Therefore it is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration plus negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration is equal to 14. Okay, then this is called negative logarithm of H plus is known as a pH plus negative logarithm of OH is known as a POH is equal to 14. So here I given pH. Similarly this one also is there, POH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. So formulas, remember this formulas very very important. Similarly pKa plus pKb is equal to 14. Otherwise this is also known as a pKw, because this is meaning what is it? Kw. Then you can write here which one? Log Kw. Apply it both side, negative logarithm mean negative logarithm of Kw is known as what is that? Pkw. So like this also will be there. So here also this is Pkw you will get. So very very important this formulas. Formulas remember based on calculation is very easy. Now weak electrolyte. For example HA is a weak acid ionized into which one? H plus plus A minus. Then T equal to 0 time, this is C concentration, dash dash, T equal to T equilibrium time C alpha, with degree of dissociation is there mean same amount C alpha is lost, then here C alpha, therefore this is common taken C and alpha. And now Ka is equal to what is that? Product by reactant. At equilibrium position only you have to put. At equilibrium, first I will write H plus concentration, A minus concentration by HA concentration. Therefore, now H plus concentration is C alpha and A minus is C alpha and HA concentration C into 1 minus alpha. C cancel, therefore alpha C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. These formulas we have to remember. Alpha is less than 1 when you know that approximation method. If alpha value, when it is neglected, alpha is neglected or less than 1 when you consider 5, alpha equal to 0.05 or if percentage given 5%, so that time only we have to neglect. Less than this or equal to this value only we have to neglect, otherwise don't neglect the alpha value. When alpha is not neglected means you have to follow the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, alpha is equal to. So you have to follow when alpha is not neglected, meaning follow the quadratic equation and calculate the alpha value. But maximum cases, whatever the competitive exam, so this is also very important how to calculate in examination. Maximum cases, 99% questions are rare with the quadratic equation, somewhat time taking process. That's why alpha neglected type question will come. So immediately in your mind should be strike like this only, then you can easily answer. Okay, so based on this, H plus N concentration, what is that? H plus N concentration is equal to C alpha. According to this equation, what is that? Ka is equal to C alpha square. 1 minus alpha, alpha is less than 1 mean that is equal to 1 only. Which one? 1 minus alpha is equal to 1 because alpha is very less. Therefore here denominator 1 will come. Then alpha is equal to what is that? Ka by C root. Then here C alpha is equal, you can put here Ka by C, and C comes inside, C square 1C cancel, then Ka by Ka into C. Okay, this is root. This is H plus N concentration formula. You can use this when alpha given, when Ka is given you can use this one. So these formulas you have to remember, directly will ask in the examination. And based on this also one formula. Formulas are directly asking in examination. Therefore, you have to remember this formula. Apply negative logarithm of H plus N concentration. What do you call? pH. Negative logarithm of this one. Negative log of Ka into C. Root mean 1 by 2 we can write. Then this can be A into B form. Therefore, negative logarithm of Ka over 1 by 2 plus negative logarithm of C power 1 by 2. Then this can be represented as negative logarithm of 1 by 2 and log K, and this will be minus 1 by 2 log C. 1 by 2 taken common, therefore 1 by 2 negative logarithm of K is known as a pKa minus log C. Like this directly they will ask the formula in examination. Now here Ka given, concentration given, use this formula. pKa given and concentration given, use this formula. Alpha given, concentration given, use this formula. Same applicable for weak base. So directly I am giving formulas. For weak base is equal to what is that? Kb. Here is it. Kb is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Alpha less than 1 mean you can consider this 1. Therefore, Kb is equal to C alpha square. Like this. Similarly, alpha is equal to what is that? Kb by C root. Similarly, OH minus N concentration is equal to what is that? C alpha. Same formulas are applicable. Therefore, directly I am writing OH minus N concentration is equal to this one, root Kb into C. Next formula is what is that? POH is equal to half of PKB minus log C. Like this formulas. These formulas note down, very important. And after this, weak acid, weak base formulas. But keep in mind, in this total calculation, H plus ion concentration is equal to acid normality or N, you can write normality of acid. OH minus N concentration is equal to normality of base. For strong electrolyte means strong acid and strong base. Okay, that is very, very, very important. Now, based on this, some problem we will solve. Here question given. What is the question here? Given Kw, question is Kw is equal to 10 power minus 13 m square at 62 degree Celsius. Compute the sum of POH and pH for a neutral aqueous solution. What you have to calculate? Compute the POH, sum in what? The POH plus pH. How much? For a neutral aqueous solution. Now we know that H plus ion concentration is into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 13. So already now only I given like this formula. Therefore pH plus POH is equal to what is that? 13. This simple answer. Options are given here. A 7, B 13.30, C 14, D 13. So answer is D. Because this sum of this pH plus POH, what is that? 13. Similarly, for pure water, question is for pure water. Option A, listen carefully. pH increase while POH decrease with rise in temperature. Keep in mind, pH plus POH is equal to what is that? 13 at this temperature. Another one, what is that? Normal room temperature, pH plus POH is equal to what is that? 14. So based on that you have to answer. pH increases while POH decreases with rise in temperature. pH decreases while POH increases with rise in temperature. Both pH and POH decreases with rise in temperature. Both pH and POH increase with rise in temperature. So you pause and listen all the options. Again, if repeat means time taking process. So question is pure water given. Whatever the rise in given, anything given consider. Now I want to explain this. pH into OH minus H plus into OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 14. H plus OH minus 10 power minus 13. H plus OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 12 like this given. So this is temperature 25, this is 30, this is 60 like this consider. So temperature increases. Temperature increase mean what is that? This value also increase. So at this condition what is that? H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7. Yes or no? Therefore POH also 7 and pH also 7. But here less than this value. Here less than this value. Both are what happened here. At this case consider H plus ion concentration, OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6. Clear? So H plus ion concentration mean what is that? For this only H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6. If you apply negative logarithm both sides mean this is pH is equal to how much? 6. For this, what is there? Negative logarithm only OH minus N concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6. Sorry, I forgot to write equal here. So equal this is. Then negative logarithm apply mean